Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 25th of April. First of all, national news. New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a COVID review meeting on Wednesday. Jammu and Kashmir's Palli became India's first carbon neutral panchayat. Three Lashkar terrorists killed in encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama. Earthquake with magnitude 4.2 strikes near Ladakh's Kargil. And now some international news. Shanghai reported its highest daily COVID deaths as China ramps up curbs. Taliban banned TikTok, PUBG for leading Afghan youth astray. Russian President Vladimir Putin and Pakistan's new Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif have quietly exchanged letters expressing desire to strengthen cooperation between the two countries, a media report said on Sunday. An explosion at an illegal oil refinery in southern Nigeria has killed at least 80 people, the emergency services said on Sunday. Vladimir Zelensky signed Baseball Up for auction, proceeds to support relief efforts in Ukraine. And now some sports news. Sunrisers Hyderabad pacer T. Natarajan has made a successful comeback from injury. Former India captain Sunil Gavaskar was all praise for him. Archery World Cup 2022, Tarundeep Rai and Riddhi won the gold in the recurve mixed team event on Sunday. Deepak Punia settled for silver in Asian Wrestling Championship, outsmarted in 86 kg final by Azmat Daulat Bekam. Premier League, after scoring, Ronaldo paid tribute to his late son. Arsenal defeated United 3-1 on Saturday. And now let's have a look on weather. The weather on 22nd April in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 37 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 29 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.